U.S. stocks, they maintained sharp losses Wednesday afternoon with the Dow Jones down nearly 150 points heading towards the final hour of trade. This as commodity prices dropped and this following weaker than expected earnings reports. But first, oil prices, they tumbled below $87 a barrel as rising supplies added to overall concern about global oil demand. Also, gold that continued to trade lower after falling to its lowest level since January 2011 on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the U.S. economy posted a moderate rate of growth between late February and early April. This according to the Federal Reserve's latest Beige Book report. Also, the International Monetary Fund downgraded its outlook for U.S. growth in the latest report, which now forecasts the U.S. will grow by 1.9% in 2013 and 4% in 2014. And with earnings season in full swing and the euro retreating from highs against the U.S. dollar, it looked to be yet another volatile finish for the Dow Jones and yet another negative one as well. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. The Dow is on the downside, 138.19 points to settle in at 14,616.59. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Apple, which took a deep dive, briefly breaking below $400 a share for the very first time since December 2011. This after Digitimes reported that iPad mini shipments will fall 20 to 30% quarter over quarter to 10 to 12 million units in the second quarter. Amongst earnings, Bank of America tumbled after the financial giant posted results that fell short of expectations. Intel traded lower after the chip maker missed earnings estimates by 1 cent and expects a current quarter revenue decline of as much as 8% due to a drop in PC sales. And Yahoo took a dive after it posted sales that fell short of forecast. Meanwhile, grocery store chain Fairway soared more than 30% in its market debut over at the NASDAQ. The IPO priced above its expected $10 to $12 range.